This is Chiji from DesktopCoach and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about freezing and unfreezing columns and rows. In the last video we figured out how to hide and unhide columns and rows and how we can uncover formulas that have been applied in a worksheet. Click the link above to check out that video. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the content. And if you do, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check out the description below for our Microsoft 365 giveaway. Alright then, let's get to it. Alright, today we have a table with locked columns and rows. This allows us to keep selected columns and rows visible while we scroll through the rest of the worksheet. Let's head over to our worksheet to check this out. When we scroll midway in our table, our column headings disappear, and it becomes difficult to make proper sense of our data. In some cases, we need our headings or first column to remain visible. Let's take a look. To freeze columns and rows, let's go to the View tab. In the Window group, click the Freeze Panes drop-down. There we have three options: to freeze panes, freeze the top row, or freeze the first column. Let's start out with the top row. Now when we scroll, we can see that row 1 remains visible. Let's try this again with the first column. As we scroll horizontally, we can see that column A is still visible. Note that the freeze only toggles from a row to a column. And vice versa, not freezing the row and the column at the same time. Now this is where the pane comes in. To freeze a pane, which is a combination of rows and columns in this case, just select a cell. And Excel will freeze the column to the left of your selection and the row above your selection. Then go to the Freeze Panes drop-down, unfreeze any locked rows or columns, and then select Freeze Panes. Now when you scroll vertically or horizontally, our pane remains visible. In this case, rows 1 to 8 and column A. Now this could come in handy for lengthy tables. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we put out something new. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next lesson.